All right, finally, just need to do an update on this thing because I have been lazy when it comes to doing YouTube stuff because it just slipping my mind. But if you can tell, I got this thing back together and interior started to go back in. The carpet that I dyed is looking very good. I still got the door panels to do, headliners in. Just had a squeaky clean, brand new windshield installed, which looks amazing, right? Yeah, very happy. Brand new mirrors. This is how the paint job turned out. I think it looks really good. It's the gray base, and then I did the red pattern on top of it. It's kind of a flat red. And I'm loving the way it looks. And the wildest part about this whole thing, like everything's gone so well on this. Got seats are in there from NBS GMT 400. Just been moving right along. Got the dash looking pretty good. Underneath this thing looks amazing. Looks brand new, but dust sitting on it. The grill turned out very nice. Still got to put the headlights in. I had to order, these guys are here brand new. Those guys are brand new. I got to put all that shit in. Brake booster needs to go back in, so on and so forth. But I just figured I would finally do an update. I mean, this thing just looks amazing. Like, for what it is, for the work I put into it. Such a very nice, clean, rust-free, original, first-year single cab truck. And the cool part is it's a third brake light, clear cab. Did not have to cover that. Did it itself. I did end up finding a little bed liner to throw in it. That looks pretty good. I have a little diamond plate thing I want to put over this that I got that I think would look good on there. It's just, man, I'm just very happy with how this turned out altogether. It's a nice piece for someone that's going to end up with a really clean truck, hopefully. I mean, I'm having to keep the bitch for all I know. I have posted this shit on Marketplace. I have not got is this available? I've not got a Jewish ass lowball offer. I have not got shit. Because I was like, let me see if I could sell it as a roller. If somebody wants to, take it and reuse the stock harness before I chop it all up and put the 5.3 liter out of this in it and everything. So, it's one of those things where I'm just like, well, whatever. And, so yeah, like I said, I've got the gas tank I got to put in it, because the one that's in there had some rust on the top, which is fine. So that's all going to be repaired and done. But yeah, it's man, it's kind of a shame as nobody even hit me up for it, because I'm like, people like the OBS is so popular, and yeah, that's not the case evidently. But yeah, she'll end up with a home eventually. Once I get the 5.3 and everything swapped from that white truck in front of it, maybe it'll find a home. I don't know. I'm like not even trying to get rich off the motherfucker. Somebody's gonna get a decent deal on a super clean fucking truck. So we'll see.